Microjig, maker of the gripper. Work safer, work smarter.
Now I just want to make a couple positive stops that are going to get attached with these T-bolts that just ride in the T-track. I can fine-tune the adjustment of this positive stop by bringing this bolt either in or out, and it's easy to adjust by hand because the end of the bolt is knurled. I have my left and right positive stops set, and I made 2 layout lines on the back of a piece of scrap. Now it's time to try it out. That came out really nice, and with the positive stops set, it doesn't matter how many of these pieces of stock I have, they'll all come out identical. This is an accessory that I've been wanting to add on to my router table fence for quite a while now, and now I can scratch it off my list. Thanks for watching, guys.